Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Math Sub. I am going to explain one question that has been taken from integration of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x whole over 9 plus 16 dot sin 2x dot dx. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Implied that we know that one formula I am going to write on basis of this question. Here we shall use a trick of which you must remember. What trick I am going to use here? Use formula sin x minus cos x का होल स्क्वायर a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab ऑन बेसिस ऑफ a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर a minus b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab ऑन बेसिस ऑफ दैट फार्मूला sin x minus cos x का होल स्क्वायर कम्स आउट टू बी sin स्क्वायर x प्लस cos स्क्वायर x माइनस 2 sin x dot cos x. Again I shall write implied that equal to here sin square x plus cos square x comes out to be 1 minus 2 sin x dot cos x comes out to be sin 2x. Here it will be written sin x minus cos x का whole square. This thing we have got. Again I can write very well implied that here sin 2x is equal to sin 2x is equal to 1 minus in bracket sin x minus cos x का whole square. This thing we shall write. Again, what we'll do next? Next I shall write implied that let sin x minus cos x equal to t. This term sin x minus cos x I shall let as t. Implied that d over dx of sin x minus d over dx of cos x equal to d over dx of t. Implied that d over dx of sin x comes out to be cos x minus d over dx of cos x comes out to be minus sin x equal to dt over dx I shall write. Implied that sin x plus cos x equal to dt over dx. Again I shall write implied that sin x plus cos x dot dx equal to dt. here you can see sin x plus cos x will be written in one bracket dot dx equal to dt. The same thing I have written. Here in numerator sin x plus cos x dot dx will be taken as dt. And again, when x is equal to 0, here you can see the lower limit is 0. The x is equal to 0, here lower limit is equal to 0. 0 is in the sense of x here. So when x is equal to 0, this means that lower limit is 0. Then this term I shall use. In place of x here, I shall write here 0. The sin 0 degree minus cos 0 equal to t. Implies that sin 0 means 0 minus cos 0 means 1 equal to t. Implies that t equal to minus 1. Again I shall write when x equal to pi by 4, then sin, here in place of x I shall write pi by 4. The sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. In place of x I shall put pi by 4. The sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 equal to t. So you will get here sin pi by 4 equal to 1 over under root 2 minus 1 over under root 2 equal to t. Implied that t equal to 0. 1 over under root 2 minus 1 over under root 2 equal to 0. T equal to 0 you have got. So here lower limit x equal to 0 will be replaced by lower limit at t equal to 0, t equal to minus 1. Here the upper limit s equal to pi by 4 will be replaced by t equal to 0. So here again I shall write, let I equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x whole over 9 plus 16 sin 2x dot dx. Again I shall write imply that I equal to integral, now whole terms dx sin x cos x sin 2x 0 pi by 4 will be written in terms of t. Here x equal to 0, so here you can see x equal to 0 in the sense t equal to minus 1 you have got. So here lower limit will be minus 1 and here x equal to pi by 4, in place of x equal to pi by 4, in the sense of t, I shall write t equal to 0. So here write 0. And sin x plus cos x dot dx, you have got this one dt. So here write dt whole over 9 plus 16 in place of sin 2x. In place of sin 2x, I shall write 1 minus, here sin x minus cos x. In place of sin x minus cos x, I shall write t. It will become t square. So here you will get t square. Again I shall write implied that I equal to minus 1 0 dt whole over 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square. Again I can write very well implied that I equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt over 25 minus 16 t square. Again I shall write implied that I equal to integral minus 1 0 dt whole over here what to do, here take 16 as a common. So here I shall take 16 as a common. In bracket I shall write 25 over 16 minus t square. This thing I shall write. Imply that I equal to integral minus 1 0 and just erase this one. Here 1 over 16 will be popped out. Here 1 over 16 will be popped out. Integral minus 1 0 dt whole over 25 over 16 can be written over as 5 over 4 का whole square minus t का whole square. This thing will be written. So what we'll do, one formula we know that formula I shall write here formula integral dx over a square minus x square is equal to 1 over 2a dot log mod a plus x whole over a minus x. This is the formula. Formula integral dx over a square minus x square equal to 1 over 2a dot log mod a plus x over a minus x mod. On basis of formula, this integral value will be put. So what we'll do here, here again I shall write I equal to 1 over 16 dot here in place of a it is 5 over 4. So here I shall write 1 over 2 a. One over 2a log mod a in place of a I shall write 5 over 4 plus t whole over 5 over 4 minus t. This thing will be written. And what to do next? Next, formula you have read here 1 over 2a, in place of a, we shall write 5 over 4 dot log mod a plus x, a minus x, and value of lower limit minus 1, upper limit 0. This thing will be written. Now again I can write very well I equal to, here this 2 and 4 will be cancelled, I will get here 2, and this 2 will get here 2 over, this 2 will put back in numerator, so we will get here 2 over 16 5 ja 80 dot log mod again solve this one, we will get here 5 plus 40 over 4 whole over 5 minus 40 over 4. This thing will get. So what will do there? Again I shall write I equal to 2 over 80 can be written as 1 over 40 dot log mod 5 plus 40 whole over 5 minus 40 whole का limit 0 minus 1, here write minus 1, here write 0. Again I shall write implied that I equal to 1 over 40. 1 over 40 will be written in bracket and open here square bracket and first of all put 0 here, so we will get here log mod 5 plus 4 into 0 whole over 5 minus 4 into 0 minus this thing we will got. Again I shall write log mod minus 1 in place log mod minus log mod 5 minus 4 ब्रैकेट में minus 1 will multiply 5 plus is there na? Here 5 plus 40, so 5 plus 4 in place of t I shall put minus 1 whole over 5 minus 4 in place of t minus 1 I shall write mod. So we will get here implied that I equal to 1 over 40 and in bracket I shall write log log 5 over 5 log 1 will get minus, and here we will get minus log, and here 5 minus 4 will get here 1, and here we will get 9. Minus 4 multiplied to minus 1 comes out to be 9. So 5 plus 4 9 will get here 9. this thing will get. So what to do here? Here again I shall write imply that I equal to 1 over 40. 1 over 40 I shall write, and in bracket I shall write log 1 minus log 1 plus log 9 bracket close, because here log 1 minus log 9, log 1 minus log 1 plus log 9, log 1 minus log plus log 1 minus log 1 will be cancelled out. We will get here imply that I equal to 1 over 40 dot log 9. This will be the correct answer you have got. The correct answer of this question we have got 1 over 40 dot log 9 will be the correct answer. This is the proper explanation and solution of one question taken from integration NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.